सर से प्रोग्राम टा करथिले
प्रोग्राम नाटा को
इवेंट नंबर टा 10 to 100 भितर
सर मोर भी डाउट अछि
कौन डाउट अछि को
सर जो अपन देखले जो एज टा फाइंड करे पे एज टा फाइंड कर दीजिए आउ जोड़ा आउट देखले डिस्प्ले करे पे से नंबर टा मल्टीप्लाई कर सेटा हेलानी
फर्स्ट मु कहली जे हमें इवन नंबर बाहर करिया बिटवीन 10 to 100 plus even finder then public static void main string values then for int num1 is equals to 10 you can define here int num1 num2 num2 is less than equals to 100 num1 is equals to num1 plus 1 then we have to display if num1 modulo 2 is equals to 0 then it is display you system dot out dot println the yeah, the number is even okay was this one so I save the file that can be run I just save okay the file is saved in the D drive when I run the file Java C file name dot Java. There is not requirement of num2. Again, int is not required. As I define int, again int is not required. थोड़े int define कर देला और थोड़े int define करे दरकार नहीं. Java C within norm1. Then Java it is printing you all the even number. Okay, so one thing I do here, I write here plus norm1. Then it is showing you what are the numbers are present. Okay. Now I again compile application. Serious. It is printing you 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 30, 34, 36. It is printing you up to 100. Okay. int norm1 10. 10 is less than 100. Condition is true. Then 10 modulo 2. 10 is divisible by 2. Remainder is 0. Yes. So it is saying you 10 is even. Okay. Then 10 is increment to 11. 11 modulo 2 is equals to 0. Condition is false. Then 11 becomes 12. 12 is less than equals to 100. Continue all the even numbers.
सर वॉइस कोड होगी.
Hello. Hello. हेलो हाँ एस कौन कहूला कहला
सर
वॉइस
वॉइस कोड होगी।
এটা বুঝিয়েলা প্রোগ্রামটা
यस सर।
you can't show any other doubt which program you have doubt
So take means
hmm which one
so take two numbers then multiply them.
take two number multiply them I have show you the adding two numbers I have show you adding two numbers in the same way it is happen do you know how to take the number from user
Yes sir.
okay so you first do one program you have to take two number and display the number just do it then I will show you next program okay so after the classes first your task is you take the two number from user and display it that's it then after that how to add that I will show you clear
Yes sir.
okay so next I move to another looping nested for loop within the another for loop we call as nested for loop so initialization checking condition then increment or decrement initialization checking condition increment or decrement so you have to use this for loop inside another for loop okay so in the for loop you have to pass another for loop it is called the nested for loop
सर आउथरे टोके
for loop भितर for loop जदि आमे define करिवा ताको एबा nested for loop it is called as the inner loop and this one is called as the outer loop if your outer loop condition is true then it comes to the inner loop if your outer loop condition is true then it comes to the inner loop okay and the inner loop is execute till your outer loop condition is true So how it is working? Huh? This is a nested for loop. In nested for loop, first এটা এই যে আউটর লুপ আছে আর কন্ডিশন চেক হবো যে পর্যন্ত এই যে কন্ডিশনটা ট্রু আছে তারপরে আমার ইনর লুপটা আমার এক্সিকিউট হবে যে পর্যন্ত কন্ডিশন in the outer loop is true then inner loop is executed. Okay, so it is called as a nested for loop. So how it is working? So first of all, I will show a pyramid structure. Okay, I show a one program. Excuse me. So this is the nested for loop that we are using. I, int I is equal to 1. So how it is displayed? First, I will show you. This one. It is the output. So how it is displayed? Okay, so first of all, int I is equal to 1. 1 less than 5. Condition is true. Then now it is coming to the inner loop. In inner loop, j is 1. 1 is less than 1. No. 1 is equals 1. Yes. So I value is 1. It is printing you 1 here. So I value 1 अच्छे it is 1 print करो. तापर j value 1 अच्छी increment ला 2. 2 is less than I रा value कितने अच्छी ना 1 अच्छी. I रा value 1 अच्छी. So 2 is less than 1. Condition is false. हम print करची 1. 2 is less than 1. Condition false है. यदि condition false है मैं outer loop को गले. Outer loop रे I रा value कितने थिला 1 थिला. एबे I रा value हे गला 2. 2 is less than 5. Condition is true. Then it is j is equal to 1. 1 less than I रा value अच्छी 2. 1 less than 2. Condition is true. 1 less than is true. Then system dot out dot println, then it is showing you I value. I value is what? I value is 2. Then j value again increment. So after printing 2 value, I value 2 print kala pare, j value again increment hoga. 1 achi that 2 wala. 2 is less than 2. No. 2 is equals to 2. Yes. I value 2 achi. That is print kala 2. System dot out dot print kari. ln kala next line ko asanda. That is hamara 2 print kala. j value puni increment hala 3. Now 3 is less than 2. Condition is false. 3 is not less than 2. Then it our outer loop hala. Outer loop रे कौन होगा? Now I the value again increment hala 2. 2 is less than 5. Sorry 3. 2 होता 3 होगा. 3 is less than 5. Condition is true. 3 is less than 5. Then inner loop आसिला. I the value 3 अच्छी. J the value थी 1 hala. So 1 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. Condition is true. Huh? So super true. Huh? Again I said. I is 1. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5. Condition is true. I is 1. 1 less than 5. Then when condition is true, it is coming to the inner loop. Okay, so in inner loop, j value is what? Now j value is 1. Okay, j value is 1. So 1 is less than 1. 1 is less than 1. No, 1 is equals to 1. Yes, the either value 1 achi. 1 is equals to 1. Yes, then it is printing you 1. The either value print karibo 1. So maybe print kali 1. Print kala pare j ra value increment haba kete 2. 2 is less than 1. Condition false. Condition false hale next diva system dot out dot println next line ko asila. A line ko asila. Then again outer loop ko jiva. Outer loop re I ra value is what 2. So 2 is less than 5. Yes, condition is true. 2 is less than 5. Then it comes to here. J is equals to 1. I is equals to 2. So 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. Then it is printing you which value? I value. I value kete achi? 2 achi. Now 2 print kala. हमें same line ने अच्छे करना print अच्छे. J रा value टा 1 अच्छी अबे increment है गला 2. 2 is less than 2. No. 2 is equals to 2. Yes. Then it is again print kala कौन I रा value print kala. I रा value print kala इटे 2 print kala. तर J रा value increment है 3. So 3 is less than I माने 3 is less than 2 condition false हेले again ए लूप टा स्टॉप होला मोर नेक्स्ट लाइन को होला नेक्स्ट लाइन को गला परे एठी I रो वैल्यू जो अछि 2 अछि एटा इंक्रीमेंट हे गेला कते 3 okay so 3 is less than 5 condition is true now j is equals to 1 I is equals to 3 so 1 is less than 3 condition is true 1 is less than 3 condition is true it is printing you what which value 3 value I value is 3 I value 3 h j value again incremental j plus plus j value is 2 so 2 is less than 3 condition is true 2 is less than 3 then again मतलब इटे प्री करिवो I value 3 हलो j value incremental 3 so 3 is less than 3 no 3 is equals to 3 yes that is print color 3 again so j value again incremental 4 so 4 is less than 3 4 is less than 3 condition false when condition false then it is coming to the next line system dot out dot printed and blank then I value is again increment to 4 4 is less than 5 condition is true then it is j value 1 I value is 4 so 1 is less than 4 condition is true then it is printing you I 4 then when j value is increment to 2 j is increment to 2 I value 2 is less than 4 condition is true then again 4 okay then j value is increment to 3 3 is less than 4 3 is less than 4 condition is true then again printing you 4 huh ବର୍ଷା ଉଠେଇছে ନେଟୱର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଟିକେ ହଉଛି okay j value is 3 I value is 4 now j value is increment to 4 so 4 is less than 4 no 4 is equals to 4 yes then it is printing you 4 here then next
କିଛି କ୍ଲିୟର ଆସୁନି
clear ଆସୁନି ବର୍ଷା ଉଠେଇଛି ନେଟ୍ ସ୍ଲୋ ଥିବ ଦେଖାଉଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ତ ଦେଖାଉଛି ତ okay next ଆମେ ଯିବା j value ଏଠି କଣ ହେଇଯିବ ନା 4 ଅଛି 5 ହେଇଯିବ 5 is less than 4 condition is false then next line गला एठी I ର value again 5 ହେଇଗଲା तो 5 is less than 5 5 is less than 5 no 5 is equals to 5 yes it comes to the inner loop now j is equals to 1 1 less than equals to 5 yes 1 is less than 5 then it is printing you 5 here okay it is 0 it is either value 5 अछि 0 value 1 अछि then j value again incremental 2 2 is less than 5 condition is true, then again it is printing you 5. Then 2 is again increment, j is increment of 3. 3 less than 5, condition is true, then again it is printing you 5. J value is increment to 4. 4 is less than 5, condition is true, again it is printing you 5. Then 4, then again it is increment of 5. Okay, j is increment to 5. 5 is less than 5, no, 5 is equal to 5, yes, then it is printing you 5. So this is the pyramid structure that we are using. Yes, it is a half pyramid. बुझिएला ना कार की डाउट अछि प्रोग्राम ऊपर संगीता अलिवा महेश
Yes, sir.
बुझिएला
Yes, sir.
रिस्पांस गति what are gati okay so I have given you the tags. Take two number and show all multiplication table between them. Take two number from user and show the multiplication table between them. Okay, now the end is you. Take two number from user and show multiplication table between them. Okay, so do it and send me. And another is take a number and show its multiplication table. Already original take a number and show its multiplication table.